Let us now proceed and check out one more concept in this section of functions, such as named parameters. Now this named parameter is a pure Kotlin functionality. It is not actually present in Java, so there is no chance of interoperability in this case of named parameters. So inside the IntelliJ IDE, this is the same project on top of which we were coding in the previous videos. So here inside the find value method, I will simply modify my code. And now here I will simply remove the return type from here and also remove the return type from here. And then simply modify my code inside the main activity as well. Sorry, main method as well. And now suppose if I run the code right now, let's see what happens. And now inside my Java file we have some error. So let us comment these two lines of code because we don't need it in this video. So inside the Kotlin file, let us now click on this icon and then run the code. So in the output we get length is 2, breadth is 3 and height is 30. And now suppose if I use the naming parameter such as if I use length equal to 2, breadth equal to 3 and height equal to 30. So here the sequence is exactly same as the formal arguments that we have defined here, right? So here length equal to 2 will fall here, breadth equal to 3 will fall here and height equal to 30 will fall here. Now what if I change the sequence? Suppose if I cut the height 30 from here, Command X and paste it right at the beginning, and then let's check out what happens when we execute our code. So simply run the code. So here in the output console, the output remains same. Length is again 2, breadth is 3, height is 30. Now what the heck is happening here? Now this is the beauty of the naming parameters in case of Kotlin. Here we have defined height equal to 30. So no matter what is the sequence of these parameters right here inside the main method, this height equal to 30 will match with this height equal to 10 and override it. Similarly, the length 2 will fall here and the breadth 3 will fall here, right? And now suppose if I remove the height from here and then we are only left with the length and breadth. So this length will come here and breadth will come here as we all are aware of it, and the height will get its default value. Now again let's change the sequence, Command X and paste it here. And now make a note, here we are only having 2 parameters and here we have 3 parameters. Now in spite of changing the sequence and also reducing the number of parameters, the breadth will fall in its own path, that is this one, and the length value will come here, right? Let us now run the code. So here we go, again the length is 2, breadth is 3 and height is 10. Now the advantage of using the naming parameters in case of Kotlin is that if suppose you have 7 to 8 parameters inside this method, so in that case it will simply give you a safer side of defining the actual arguments inside the main method. So this will simply help you to avoid any mistake while defining the values right here. So hope you got something out of this video. Thank you and have a good day.